Welcome back to our course on PSE 15. In this section I'm going to add some more information about how to manage and use ratings. I showed you earlier on in the course how to set a rating for one or more images, and if you intend to use ratings, hopefully you've been assigning ratings as you've been capturing images so far. But there are quite a few more things you need to know about them, and I'm going to cover the main points in this section. The first point I'd like to make is that we have a rating system 1 star to 5 star. Unrated is not the same as 0 stars. There isn't a 0 star setting, which means that I give this image no stars at all. If it has less than 1 star, it is unrated. If you have an image that's rated and you want to unrate it, so for instance, look at this picture here of a Shetland pony with 3 stars. It's easy to change the setting to 4 stars, just click on 4, or 2 stars, click on 2. I'm going to put it back to 3. If I want to unrate it, I click again on its current rating. So with 3 stars, I click on 3 stars again, and that clears the rating. Another way to clear the rating on an image which is selected is to hit the 0 key on the keyboard. When it comes to using ratings, what most people use them for is the use that I have implied so far in the course. That is to assess the quality or acceptability or usability of images on a scale 1 to 5. And then often that would involve, for instance, the highest rated images being put into an album or a slideshow or something like that. But I have seen other very successful and inventive ways of using ratings. For example, one that I've seen a few times is based on the principle that when somebody captures images, first thing they do is to go through and identify which of them has the potential to be an image that's worth keeping. And they'll mark those with 1 star just to indicate this one is worth keeping. Then they'll have some kind of production or improvement process where they go through, for instance, crop and resize the images, and once that's been done, each of those will become a 2-star image. And at whatever point the person decides that a particular image has gone as far as it can, or the processing is finished, they may either set it to 5 star, or ultimately they may then re-rate the images back on the how good is this image principle. So it can be used as a tracking and auditing mechanism for the processing of images. Something else that I've mentioned once or twice during the course and implied is the use of ratings for filtering. And for instance, in this case, if I want to apply a 3-star filter, if I click on 3 stars up here on the right, I'll see my 3-star images. Now, in fact, I will see my greater than or equal to 3-star images, because this inequality symbol here, currently set at greater than or equal to, if I click on that, I have a choice of rating is greater than or equal to, rating is less than or equal to, rating is equal to. So whereas at the moment I have the 3, 4 and any 5-star images, if I said equal to, I will only see the 3-star images. So the filter based on ratings is pretty flexible as well. And one other aspect of PSE 15 in which we can use ratings is when we search, but we'll be looking at that a little bit later on in the course. But for now, that's it on ratings. I'll see you in the next section.